a little Lego part there, a little part there, and another part there. Hello there, Brick fans! Welcome back to the new episode of the Lego City Update Show! Yeah, baby! That's right, we're back. And today, we'll be doing the new episode of this massive and amazing Lego set, ladies and gentlemen. And this set is 60198. It's a cargo train. It contains 1,226 parts, and it comes with how many figures? Minifigures? Let's see. I think it comes with 5 minifigures and 4 vehicles. So there's the side, and there's the back side of the box. And the best part of this Lego train is that it can carry a variety of wagons, like this crane and these parts there. And it even has the Lego controller inside it, which you can control, just like the other Lego trains that we've seen, like that Lego cargo train that was released in 2010, and the cargo train of 7898. And even the passenger trains, like the 7897, that's a Lego passenger train, and even another Lego passenger train that was released in 2010, and all the other Lego trains. All the boxes that have Lego trains have lots of controllers, and I must say that is amazing. So like I said, this set is the Lego Cargo Train 60198. It contains 1,226 parts, Lego parts, and it comes with 5 vehicles and 5 minifigures and 4 vehicles. Alrighty, folks. So let's get on to this building, ladies and gentlemen. It even also has this battery and its starter switch or something. There's plenty of wires. And even has like variety of Lego. A lot of Lego tracks. And there's the controller. There's the plug, I guess, with the Lego piece. And this is the battery. And these right here are the Lego tracks. Now, where are the instruction booklets? Right here. Here are the instruction booklets. Alright, let's get started with the building. Starting from bag number 1.